Hey, so if you want to make your videos look more cinematic with smooth AI transitions, you can actually do it pretty easily using Dola AI. In this video, I'll show you the full process, step by step. Alright, first, go to Dola AI and sign into your account. If you're new, just create one using your email. Yeah, it's quick. Once you're in, look for the video editor or effects tool. This is where you'll create your cinematic transitions. Now, upload the video clips you want to connect. These could be short scenes, product shots, or cinematic footage. Next, select a transition style. Look for cinematic options like fade, zoom, blur, or AI motion transitions. Then, apply the AI transitions between clips. The tool will automatically smooth out the movement between scenes. Now adjust the timing, speed, and motion intensity to make it feel more cinematic and natural. Next, add background music and subtle effects. This helps enhance the cinematic feel even more. Finally, preview your video. If everything looks smooth, export it in high quality. So, yeah, that's how you can create cinematic AI transitions using Dola AI. It's a simple way to make your videos look more professional and dynamic. If this helped, feel free to check out more AI tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Hey,